Hello, hi, I am Shawn, the new media leader of Hackster. You know Ben.
Hello,
Director.
I'm Ben. Yes. What are we doing today, Shawn?
What we're doing today is we're taking a look at our home server build. This is what we'll be giving away as a part of our Edge AI campaign.
Which I thought it was called the Ultimate AI.
Is it called the Ultimate AI? It might be called the Ultimate. I thought it had something to do with automation. Never mind, it's here. Go enter the giveaway. And you know, if you want us to find out what's going on with this, we're about to do that in just a moment.
Cool.
Good.
Definitely we'll do it again.